Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Finance for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your CVS Payroll. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your browser, then go to your default search engine. Then search CVS Login. Then go to the first result that shows up or go to digital.allied.com/cvscaremark. It will then take you to the login portal of CVS. Once the page has been loaded up completely, enter your user ID, then enter your password. To make sure your password is correct, click to show password, then it will view you your password. Once you have entered your login credentials, click to log on. Then you should be able to access your CVS account. From there, navigate to your payroll. This is how you can log into your CVS Payroll. If you have forgot your user ID or password, you can get help by clicking to Forgot User ID or Password. And if you are a new user, you can enroll a new account by clicking to New User. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.